All right, friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Sorry, my voice is not not great, and I don't have a ton of energy, so no craziness and carrying on today. I have all my returns now back from January, so let's see how return January has turned out to be. Looks like we have there's one's already open in there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We got 11 packages open. 10 packages. One's already open. I opened the Baby Shark. So, yes, be thankful that you're not going to get to listen to Baby Shark because it took me weeks to get Baby Shark out of my head. All right, let's see if I can get y'all a grand view. All right, the lighting in here is not perfect, but let's see. Bad buys or were these bad customers? This one looks like it's just a return, so it looks like it's brand new. Oh yeah, I can go back. Okay. All right. Anybody care to guess what this is? You get 2 guesses. The first one doesn't count. This is lovely the way an Amazon customer treats your merchandise by wrapping it up in a paper bag or something, a craft paper. I would say, did we send it to them that way? But we're dealing with Amazon, right? It could have been. That's odd. They rented the game. That's outstanding. Because they opened it. That means refund, please. Thank you. How about you shouldn't have. Let's see if they play the game. They actually didn't play it. I'll sell that on eBay. It's actually new. I'll sell that on eBay. But still, to open it up and then to put that note on there, refund please, and then wrap it in paper. Sorry if I'm sniffing. Just a pair of slippers. They still have the tag on them, so I'm not gonna take them out of the bag. I'll just So right now we have one that's gonna be new open on eBay, and I'll actually reshrink it. And in the listing I'll tell them that the shrink wrap was replaced. Games never played. I got two over there that are gonna go back to Amazon. Is this the one that was? Oh no! Look at this one. This is how this one got to me. Amazon. Who knows what they did to it? See how the packaging is banged up? Pacific Rim, but they never opened it. It's not, but because the packaging is now banged up from Amazon's handling, and that's why I tell you, and that's one thing, this is a great lesson, is why does the packaging need to be absolutely pristine and perfect? Because this one started out pristine and perfect, and look what the warehouses and stuff did to it. And their shipping, you can see it got crushed here. Because Amazon does not care about your products. I think these are open. These Spider-Man, yeah, they're open. They were so cheap. They'll probably just go back. They'll go donation pile. I have a box outside that when it gets full, I just take it. There's a downtown rescue mission at the end of the street, so it'll get dropped off there. So that was more what I was anticipating: open or destroyed. One of those boxes is really big. All right, Magic Express. Did they open it? Excuse me. It doesn't look open, but it's going to eBay because I'm not sure. I'll do some more investigating, but it doesn't seem to be open. But I don't want to take a chance on it going back to Amazon. This one, look at it. That's what happens. Returnuary wouldn't be so bad today if Amazon would not be so damn rough on the shipping. Sorry. All right. Next one. One box is really heavy. I think I might have recalled something. This guy. Hey, he's going back to Amazon. So really not. I think I told earlier that I direct all my email. There's a filter that sends all the return email to the one folder, and I never look at it. It was like 1,300 the last time I looked at it, but there was 500 reimbursements. So if you can do something with half your stuff back for the refunds and stuff, you're doing okay. Anytime you pull something out, it's got a bag on it, you know something happened to it generally. Oh no. Pokemon. Oh. Alright, a habit to get into that I've gotten into through the last couple of years is this. Somebody returned these saying they didn't match the website description, which a lot of times they're doing that to get it free. But if I only got a few of them, I'll recall them to make sure that I listed them on the right listing. So I recalled those two guys. So I will verify the listing I put them on, and they'll turn and go right back. Let me let the dog out. Who let the dog out? The bearded picker let the dog out. Door unopened. Man, every time I film, you guys bring me good luck. God damn it. This is the heavy one. Because it weighs 9 pounds. They got them all in one box. So I got a return on one of these. It says invalid serial number damage on every single one of them. And what happened was this listing was there and I listed on it. The listing disappeared and came back, and the company changed it to where they put some kind of hologram or something on them. I don't know. But there's nothing wrong with them. I'll sell them on eBay, but there's an entire box of these things. So be careful when you listen. That was not on there originally. It's almost like they changed it. So see the fun stuff you learn going through your returns. They didn't even take Zoom out. Zuma's got a bent. Look, when they open the box, they got Zuma. See that? So I'll note the package was cut, and we'll sell Zuma on eBay. This is a ZTE phone. Usually the last couple ones I've gotten. Man, that's awesome. It's not been out. Because the seal's broken. Let's see. The last one I didn't get the battery back, the SIM card back. I actually got my money back on that one. Oops. They never took the screen off. Here's where you got to check am I providing the battery for these folks? Surely it comes out. Oh, there's a battery. And the SIM card. So I'll just sell this one new open box unactivated on eBay. That's why I implore you guys, those of you who just do one platform, you need somehow to recover some of your costs. Will I get Prime dollars for the returns? No. But will I get some? Remember, I buy most stuff on clearance. I did pay full price for the phone. It was like $13. But everything else I bought in the Monopoly game, but everything else is on clearance. So you don't need a lot of money to get your money back. All right, last one. So far this is a win. Half the stuff can go back. The rest of it, except for one item, can be sold on eBay. So yeah, let's open this one. It was not a good day for Paw Patrol. A good season for Paw Patrol. Their stickers on this, but their stickers on mine, so he never came out of the bag. So I will rebag. Which one is this? Chase, and send Chase back. He will be. So that's the thing I want to leave you with this video is make sure you're selling on two platforms. If you're selling on Amazon, or not even you don't even necessarily have to have a second platform, but have a plan to get some of your money back. Hey, maybe sell it to flea market. This stuff can go to flea market, get it cheap, sell it cheap, get a couple dollars back, whatever it is. Or if donating your thing and you're really into to giving these things to thrift stores, charities, that is perfectly fine too. I've done that for a lot of years as well. I just don't donate junk, because some things come back in such bad condition they need to be thrown away. So don't burden the thrift store with having to throw away because the value's gone. I know we like to see dollar signs, and we cringed at this many returns, but really actually had 13 returns so far this month. So, and my window is over. I get automatic returns on the 20th. So it's now the 28th, something like that. So I'm pretty sure my window is over. I hope you guys have some of my thoughts on returns. I hope you've learned something, and let me know in the comments, how do you deal with your returns? Maybe you guys have an idea of something that I can do with these things other than sell them on eBay. So, hey, let me know down below if you've got a great idea. Even if you don't think it's great, put it down below. You never know what spark might help someone else. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the flip side. Roll Tide.